7.
Also very efficient from the field. 6 out of 7, 4 of 5 from 3. Mix Pascual. That's a much-needed basket to open up the third for Sarangani. Mikey Macabalyog and Lester Reyes, the 5 on the floor.
Forced it.
Pascual hit a 3 earlier. Working on Shaq Alanes. Got 3 for a 3, and it's good. Lead down to a dozen. 2 minutes gone by in the third quarter. Ball
Turnover.
loose. Estacio could not handle it, but luckily for him, Collado. Nice ball movement. Val Chauca could not hit the 3, however. Sa ilalim, Supalpal, inabot ni Rios kay Duremdes.
Biglang tentative na kumilos, no, offensively. Itong Valenzuela leading into couple turnovers already.
Estacio off the dribble.
In the middle of that zone.
Chauca, another steal from Sarangani. Pascual, this time from mid-range, gets that one to go. Lead down to 10 points.
Pascual scoring.
Mix Pascual, all 8 of his points in the third quarter.
I don't think Val was even had the intention to foul. Nonetheless, Sunga mas mapapaganda pa. 4 on the offensive glass, 4 also on the defensive.
Alanes lines it up, and the back is open for Shaq.
Reyes, after getting the rebound, had a chance when the outlet pass kay Oligario, pero gusto niya i-set up, mukhang pagod na rin siya tumakbo. Papunta sa kabila.
Chauca, no look pass. Lester Reyes, anong
Yun
pagod?
Yun. Yun. Pag pinasa niya kasi...
Pascual has 8 points all in this quarter. Tries another free and gets that one in.
It's just something about it. 11 points already at pang ngatlong 3-pointer niya na yun.
Yeah. At nakuha pa niya yung rebound. Nice
Good pass.
outlet. Lock up in stride. Masyadong malakas. Couple of Sarangani big guys going to the offensive glass, and the putback is good for King.
And lowering down the percentage of Valenzuela from 62 now to 50%. Although mataas na clip pa rin yun, pero big basket ito. Pamatay sunog.
Nahanap si Brillantes, umikot, muntik ng maagaw, 4 seconds left. Bodies on the floor, they find a wide open 3, pero Mingan who hits a free. Meron pang pagkakataon na maibaba pa yung labang under a minute remaining. In the third, lock up, sinagasalang yung depensa, getting 2 points. Alanes, only 9 points.
Ganda depensa nila.
Collado fading away over Ken Brillantes. He hits it for his third. Hitting all 3